Okay, good evening. Today I am taking a class in array. My name is Izan. I am faculty of Microsoft Computer Center at Tumpur. Okay, already I explained regarding arrays. Okay, regarding what is array, single dimension, two dimension, this thing. Today I will continue the next concept. Okay, now what I will do. Okay, I will go to. I'll show you the programs regarding this how to find transpose of a matrix, multidimensional, this things. Okay, I'll open the programs. I'll run and show you. Okay. Now first what I'll do, I'll show you how to find the that is sum of. Suppose in the list of elements, in that I want to find which are the even values and which are the odd numbers. Okay, in the list of numbers I want to find how many sum of even numbers are there, how many odd numbers are there. Okay, for that I want to add separately. Okay. Now this program, okay, what I'll do, I'll run this program. Now see, this program is what I'm finding. Okay, I'm taking the size, then I'm entering the elements. Okay, now I'm using for is for printing the values. I'm using if condition. This is for checking the even number. Suppose whatever the value are dividing by 2, if the remainder value is 0, that I'm each element, if the element is 0, I'm adding with the sum. Or what will happening, the each and every odd values which is not divisible by 0, where whatever the values are dividing, if you are not getting 0, okay, that will become odd. Okay, now like that, the sum of even and odd numbers will be adding up to the nth term. Okay, once after checking the this one values, it will come up on the loop and it show the how many sum of even are there, how many sum of odd are there. Now see, I run this program. I go to execute, compile and run. Okay, now it asks for size. Okay, now first I will enter the elements. Okay, in this element I am showing. In this, how many even are there? 4 and 2, 6. How many odd are there? 3 and 1. Like that, it separately showing how many odd are there and how many even are there. Okay. And my next program is what? See, next program is I'll go to this one. That is, I'll go to positive. Positive and suppose program to check number of zeros, number of positive and negative. But suppose I'll enter one element. In that I want to check how many positive are there, how many negative are there, how many zeros are there. Suppose I'll take the elements up to 5. Okay. Now I am using one condition. If suppose if the values are above 0, it is positive. If the values are below 0, it is negative. Suppose if the values are below 0, negative. Okay. Or if it is above 0, it is positive. Like that, I am checking the values which are positive, negative, and 0. Okay. Now here what I will do. Okay. Now I'll first run this program to check the number of zeros, positive and negative. I'll run this program. See, after running the program, suppose if I say size as 5. Now this size is what? I'll say enter up to 5 elements. Okay, because I changed 5 now. 5 I'll say. Now run this program. Okay. Now enter the elements up to 5. Any elements. Now this is showing how many positive are there, how many negative and zeros are not there. So it's showing 0, 0. Okay. Like that is for checking number of positive, negative, number of negative and number of zeros. And my next program is what? Next program is regarding, suppose if you say I want to find multiplication of matrix. Multiplication. In multiplication, what is doing? It is multiplying column with row. First column of first matrix with the first row of the second matrix. Okay, like that it is interchanging column with row. Okay, it is multiplying, adding. Like that, first column, second row, first column, third row, second column, first row, second column, second row, second column, third row, third column, first row, third column, second row, third column, third row. Like that, each and every elements of column and row is adding with the previous element. Okay. Now I am using one variable called k. K is for representing a constant value column of first matrix with row of second matrix. Okay. Like that, here what I am doing. Now this is for finding the multiplication of two matrices. I am taking the A, B, C. Okay, K is for representing rows in terms of column. Then I am telling sum. M is for maximum row size. N is for column size. O is for M is for first matrix row, first matrix of maximum row size. N is for column size. O is for maximum row size. Second matrix. B is for like that. First I am adding the sizes. First and second matrix. Now in this case, what will happen? I am telling N is not equal to O. Okay. Always first column of the first matrix must be equal to the first row of the second matrix. Then only multiplication is possible. Okay, always first column of the first matrix must be equal to the first row of the second matrix. Okay, if it is not equal, it will show multiplication is not possible. If it is equal, it will go to the asking for the values, okay, for first matrix, second matrix, okay, and then second matrix. Then now here I am using for loop. I am using one more for loop for result variable, okay, C. Okay, now what I am doing here, I am using one for loop for representing that is in first matrix row will become k, in second matrix row will become column will become k. In first matrix k is row, in second matrix k is column. Like that I am interchanging the values row into column, I am multiplying, adding, okay, then that value will be added to sum, then that variable will be assigned to the result variable, then I will come out from the loop, and I am printing the values of I and j values, okay. Now see, this is for multiplication of two matrix, okay, this program, okay. Now next what I will do here, if I run this program, I will go to execute, compile and run. Now suppose if I say 3 cross 3, that is 9 elements, okay. Now I will say 1 minute, execute, compile and run. So we are telling order, okay. So suppose if I say 3 and 3, again if I say 3 and 3, okay. Now what is happening? Is taking the order of the first matrix as this is m and n. M is the row size, n is the column size. Again O is the row size of second matrix, P is the column size of the second matrix. Okay, like that. Okay, here what I will do, I will enter the elements up to 9. Each matrix 9 elements, like this. 1 1 1 1 1 1 and 1 1 1. Again enter second matrix 1 1 1 1 1 1 and 1 1 1. Each element 9 elements. Each matrix 9 elements. Now see what is happening. Okay, now showing the result is printing the A matrix, B matrix, and it is interchanging row with the column. It is multiplying, adding. Okay, now I am getting the result variable as what? How much? 3. Okay, like that. This is for finding the multiplication of two matrix. Okay, this is for finding the multiplication of two matrix. Okay, next what we have. Next is that is 1. Okay, I show this one, even or odd. Okay. Now suppose I want to find how many values are suppose in the list of values I want to find how many values are even and how many values are odd. Okay, these things. Okay, now what I will do, I am using first time using for loop for reading the values, one for loop for printing the values, one I am using one if condition. Here if condition what it will do, in the list of values, whichever value that is divisible by 2 and the remainder value is 0, that becomes even, and keep on checking with each element. Okay, now how many elements are, how many even numbers are there, separately it will add, and how many odd numbers are there, separately it will add. It will come out from the loop and it will print how many odd numbers are there and how many even numbers are there. Now see, I will run this program. Okay, I will go to execute, compile and run. Okay, so that is the size. Suppose I will enter the size, I will enter the elements. Okay, 1 minute. I will enter the size, I will enter the elements. Okay. See this is showing how many values are even, how many sum is even, how many odd are, how many total number of even numbers and total number of odd numbers. See, this is regarding to find the sum of even and odd numbers. These things are I am doing it using single dimension array. Okay, today I taught regarding number of okay, one more thing is, now in this here one more, that is positive and negative values. Okay, in this positive negative value means what? The values which are above 0 positive, the values which are less than 0 negative. Okay, less than 0 negative, or remaining is 0. Either it is set for positive, one if condition is for positive, one if condition is for negative, one if condition is otherwise 0. Now after checking, come out from the loop and it will show what are the, how many positive elements are there, how many negative, how many zeros are there. Now see, if I run this program, now in this case suppose if I enter the sum of 5 numbers. Suppose if I say in this sum are negative values, in some negative zeros are there. Now showing how many positives are there, how many negatives are there, how many zeros are there. Like that is for checking how many positive, how many negative and how many zero elements are there. Okay. Now these are very important programs for checking this one. Next what we have, in this one more we have, that is regarding Fibonacci series. Fibonacci. Okay. Actually in Fibonacci series what? See, in Fibonacci series, suppose if I say n size as 5, always Fibonacci series will start with 0, 1, 2, okay, like this. Now 4 elements will stop at 3. Okay, that is what is doing means it keep on adding with the previous value. Like it's happening what, like this will become like 0 plus 1 1, again 1 plus 1 2, 2 plus 1 3, okay, or if I say 0 1 2 3, okay, 4. Okay, now see what is happening. 0. Okay. Now see 0 and 1 is fixed. 0 and 1 is fixed. Okay. Now what is happening? See, that is 1 plus 1 2. Okay. 2 plus 1 3. Okay. And like that, you keep on adding with the previous value. Okay. Like that. Now I am telling that is 0 1 2 3. Okay. Like this here. Okay. Now 0 plus 1 1. Okay. Again it's taking 1 plus 2 3. Okay. Like that, keep on adding with the previous element. Now in the Fibonacci series, the default value is 0 and 1. Default value is 0 and 1, and keep on adding with the previous value up to the size what I give, n size. Okay. Now what I am telling here, I am telling you the n size is 4. Okay. N size is 4. What is happening? 1 2 3. It stop at 3 because always it stop at 0. Okay. Like this. Okay. Okay, like this it become. Now what is happening? 0 plus 1 1, 1 plus 1 2, 2 plus 1 3. Like that, keep on adding. Okay. Then 3 plus 2 5. Okay. Like that, it keep on adding with the previous element. Okay. That is called Fibonacci series. Fibonacci series. Okay. Now if I say n size as 4, it will go up to the up to 3. It will go up to 2. That is 0 1 1 and 2. Okay. 1 plus 1 2, then 2 plus 1 3, like that keep on going. Then again 3 plus 2 5, then again 5 plus 3 8, like that the values keep on adding with the previous element up to the last element. Okay, that is called Fibonacci. Now see here I am telling unlimited size, n is the maximum size, I is the element. Okay, now suppose if I say enter whatever the maximum size, the default value is 0 and 1. Now I am telling I is equal to 2 because two values are fixed. I am telling n up to where you want, then I am telling I plus plus. Now what is the meaning of I minus 2 and I minus 1? Now suppose if I from the left if I add, it will from the left if I add become plus. See, 1 plus 1 2. From the left side if I add, it become plus. From the right side if I minus, see, 1 plus 1 2, 2 minus 1 1. Again if I say 1 plus 2 3, 3 minus 2 1. Again if I say 3 plus 2 5. Okay, so that like that 0 like 0 plus 1 1, 1 minus 1 2. Like that. See. Here I am keep on Fibonacci is for keep on adding 1 by 1. Okay, like I told 0 plus 1, 1 plus 1 2. See 0 plus 1 1. Okay, again 1 minus 1 0. Again if I say 1 plus 1 2, 2 minus 1 1. 1 plus 2 3, 3 minus 2 1. Okay, 3 plus 5. Again if I say 3 plus 5 8, 5 minus 3 2. Like that the values will keep on adding from the left side as well as it keep on separating on the right side. Okay, that is called Fibonacci series up to the n term. Up to the n term. Okay, now what I will do, if I run this program, see, if I run this program, one minute, I will remove this one. See, like this. If I run this program here, suppose if I say same thing, what I am telling, if I say as 4. Now observe here, I don't know 0 1 1 and 2. 0 1 1 and 2. Now 0 plus 1 1. Okay, again 1 plus 1 2. If I go right side, it will add. Okay, from left to right it will add. Again from right to left it will minus. See, 0 plus 1 1. Again 1 minus 1 0. 1 plus 1 2. 2 minus 1 1. Like that, it keep on adding with the, from the left side and keep on separating with the right side. Okay, this is called Fibonacci series. Okay, I will continue the next next classes of this programming language. Okay, thank you.